Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be talking about top trending bags currently. Now, mind you, I did slightly curate this list based off of my personal preference. Is going to be a bag that I have mentioned previously, and it is going to be the PRADA Clio bag. Now, in comparison to the PRADA re-edition, which I have reviewed and I will link in one of the YouTube cards up above if you want to see whether or not I think that the PRADA re-edition is worth your coins, I do really like this bag. It is a brushed shoulder bag. It does still have that 90s feel to it. It is still a re-edition for them, although I feel as though this bag's a little bit more sophisticated in comparison to the PRADA re-edition 2005, for example. Now, I have seen this bag in black. I have also seen this bag in white. I've seen it in person, and the only downfall that this bag does have is that the space inside of the bag is limited. So that is one of the downfalls on this bag, although I do think that for it being a full leather bag, unlike the PRADA re-edition, which is nylon, it comes in at a really good price point. This bag has really been pushed by the influencer community. So late in 2020 and early in 2021, you probably saw a lot of your favorite bloggers rocking this bag, doing videos with this bag, talking about this bag, probably because they were gifted the bag. Like, can I get a gift? I'll take a gift, PRADA. I know that I dissed you one time, but we could, we could get back on good terms, right? More recently, the bag has been released in silver and pink. Kind of loving the silver, not gonna lie. The bag currently only comes in one size, which I would consider to be a small to medium sized bag. Maybe a medium sized bag based off of nowadays small. Small means like really small, like just fit your phone in it kind of small. But it's definitely a goodie and something to look out for this year. Now, we all know that I love Louis Vuitton, so I'm gonna throw a Louis Vuitton bag into the mix, and the Louis Vuitton bag that I'm gonna throw in there is the Passy. So it's the Louis Vuitton Passy. It's, Passy, P-A-S-S-Y, okay? Definitely, I've seen a lot of people compare this bag to the Pochette Métis. Currently, it only comes in the monogram, but we know that this is going to be coming out in a number of different colorways. What I do like about this bag is that the LV on the front is in that black color with the gold detailing, a very slim gold detailing around the perimeter of that the LV emblem. It also looks to be like a very functional bag. A good size, comes with the adjustability on the strap so you can wear it as a crossbody or as a shoulder bag. It's kind of ticking all of the boxes, but this is a bag that I definitely would consider to be a really good alternative to the Pochette Métis. It does have kind of that sectioning in the bag, which makes the Pochette Métis, as well as like the Chanel Coco top handle or the Chanel Trendy, such great bags, such great everyday bags, because they have that sectioning. So this bag has multiple sections, and then it has a small pocket at the front. A really good bag, and definitely going to be a trendsetter for the year. The other bag that has been scattered all over social media is the Louis Vuitton Cousins or Cousins. Not too sure how you pronounce it. Although this is Louis Vuitton's take on kind of that Bottega Veneta trend. So you've got kind of your classic scrunchy square clutch bag, but then you've got that really big chain on it in addition to the other strap that's on the bag. Now, I've seen this scattered everywhere, and there have been a lot of mixed reviews about this bag. Some people are loving it, other people are saying it is not traditional Louis Vuitton, and I'm kind of somewhere in the middle. I've seen this bag in the green color, and I do actually really like it in the green. I do understand when people say that this bag is not traditional Louis Vuitton, because it really isn't. The chunky chain on it is not classic to the Louis Vuitton collection. Another bag that has been scattered everywhere all over social media, and this bag is not new, it's just been getting a lot of recognition recently, is going to be the Fendi Baguette. Now this bag comes in a variety of different colors, sizes, hardware colors as well, which I really do appreciate, because in curating a collection for yourself, sometimes you want to have those bags inside your collection that are just more fun. And this is one of the bags that I see as a fun bag. Yeah, a fun bag that costs a lot of money. That's okay. It's a fun bag. We've seen it in that shearling. We've seen it in different color combinations, different materials, iridescent. Definitely a bag that you can have fun with. Who is calling me? Sorry y'all, I got interrupted, but definitely the Fendi Baguette is a bag to look out for. So the next bag on my list is not a new introduction, although it continues to pick up steam and is a bag that we've been seeing a lot recently. And that bag is going to be the Chanel 19. And maybe not specifically the bag, but the whole class of the Chanel 19s. This bag comes in a variety of different styles. So you've got like the wrist, you've got the wallet on chain, you've got the Chanel 19 flap, you've got the maxi size of it, and they all do very well. And especially when this bag came out in the caramel color, like, oh, it is a goodie. So it comes with a combination of hardwares, kind of still has that classic flap look to the bag, and is definitely something that I would consider in terms of purchasing outside of kind of like your Chanel classics. The Chanel 19 is definitely something that has been iconic, picked up steam, and something that Chanel has kind of rode the wave on in terms of bags. Comes in a variety of different colors, like I said, the different sizes as well in this bag. It is definitely another goodie and definitely a trending bag for 2021. Okay, let's go back to Louis Vuitton, because I do have another Louis Vuitton goodie that I want to share with you guys, and I do have the larger version of this bag, but the little PM size of this bag is so cute, and it is the on-the-go tote. Now, we're only seeing this in the leather currently, but it is only a matter of time before we see this in the monogram print, but it is super cute. Definitely a really good, for me it's not an everyday bag, because like I have tacklings, I have things that I have to carry with me. The color combos that this bag is coming in right now are just gorgeous. If I didn't have the larger version of the on-the-go tote already, I definitely would have opted for this. Although I need to expand my collection outside of Louis Vuitton, so I'm gonna allow you guys to have this one. But it is definitely a goodie and something that I would consider. The only thing about this bag is that you definitely need an organizer to go inside of it. I do have an organizer inside of my Louis Vuitton, and maybe one day I will go over my like how I organize my bags and how I care for my bags. If that's something that you guys are interested in, then definitely comment down below and let me know. So the last bag on the list is going to be the Gucci Horsebit 1955 shoulder bag. Again, we are doing it with the throwbacks. Definitely very iconic, very Gucci with the horsebit, the print on it. Definitely a goodie in terms of its style, its shape, all of those great things about the bag. I'm not really a Gucci girl, so this is not like a bag that I would personally purchase, although you never know. I said that the Prada re-edition wasn't something that I was really into, but I did really enjoy that bag as well. I want you guys to comment down below and let me know which one of these bags is your favorite. I probably missed a lot of bags, a lot of really good trending bags, some from Balenciaga, some from Bottega Veneta. Like, the list goes on, although these are the bags that I would consider for myself in terms of trending bags for 2021. What do you guys think of my little space bag? It's a different look for me, right? Honestly, this is how I am most of the time, so. I do have a Chanel unboxing that is going to be coming to you guys at the end of this week, so do not forget. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, click the bell notification so that you're notified when that Chanel unboxing goes live. I am super excited.